Let me tell you something. Getting a man is easy. Keeping him emotionally hooked for years, that's where almost everyone fails. Because in the beginning, everything is intense. He texts first, he wants to see you, he's curious, he's invested. But over time, that intensity fades. Not because he stopped caring, but because you became predictable. And predictable doesn't create obsession, it creates comfort. And comfort without tension slowly turns into indifference. So if you want a man to stay obsessed with you for years into the relationship, you need to understand one thing. Obsession isn't built on love alone. It's built on emotional movement. And most women kill that without realizing it. Let's start with the first shift. Stop being fully figured out. In the beginning, he's curious about you. He doesn't know everything. He's trying to understand you. He's discovering you. That's what pulls him in. But over time, many women reveal everything. Their routines, their reactions, their thoughts. Nothing is left to explore. And when there's nothing left to explore, the mind stops chasing. A man doesn't stay obsessed with what he fully understands. He stays obsessed with what still surprises him. So what does that mean? It doesn't mean playing games. It means maintaining depth. Sometimes you respond in a way he didn't expect. Sometimes you introduce something new into the dynamic. Sometimes you keep parts of your world just for you. Because mystery isn't about hiding, it's about not being completely predictable. Second, don't make him the center of your life. This is where attraction quietly dies. When a woman starts building her entire world around a man, she thinks she's strengthening the relationship, but she's actually weakening it. Because now he becomes your source of happiness, your main focus, your emotional anchor, and that creates pressure. A man doesn't stay obsessed with a woman who revolves around him. He stays obsessed with a woman who has her own orbit, her own life, her own priorities, her own energy that doesn't depend on him. So when he looks at you, he doesn't see someone who needs him. He sees someone who chooses him. And that difference, that's what keeps him mentally hooked. Third, keep a level of emotional unpredictability. Now listen carefully, this is not about being unstable. It's about avoiding emotional monotony. If every reaction you have is expected, if every conversation feels the same, if your emotional pattern never changes, he stops feeling anything new. And the human brain is wired for novelty. So what happens? He starts seeking stimulation elsewhere, not necessarily another woman, but somewhere, because the dynamic became flat. A woman who keeps a man obsessed knows how to shift emotional energy. Sometimes she's playful, sometimes she's calm, sometimes she challenges him, and sometimes she pulls back slightly. Not in a manipulative way, in a natural, alive way, because she's not trying to maintain a script, she's expressing herself fully, and that keeps the interaction fresh. Now, here's the truth most people don't want to say out loud. Long-term attraction is not about being perfect. It's about being stimulating. And stimulation doesn't come from effort. It comes from who you are consistently. Fourth, master the art of strategic absence. Most women are always there, always replying, always available, always present. And it feels like love, but it kills tension. Because the human mind doesn't obsess over what's constantly accessible. It obsesses over what it can lose. Now listen carefully. This is not about disappearing randomly. It's not about ignoring him. It's about having a life that naturally creates space. Space where he doesn't hear from you for a while. Space where he wonders what you're doing. Space where he misses your energy. Because when you're always present, there's nothing to miss. And when there's nothing to miss, there's nothing to chase mentally. A woman who keeps a man obsessed knows how to step back without creating drama. She doesn't announce it. She just goes back to her life. And that silence, it speaks louder than effort ever could. Fifth, don't reward low effort with high energy. This is where most women unknowingly train a man to lose interest. He sends a dry message. She replies with excitement. He gives minimal effort. She compensates with more. He becomes inconsistent. She tries harder to fix it. And what happens? She teaches him that he doesn't need to invest because she'll carry the connection anyway. A man stays obsessed with a woman who mirrors his level, not one who overgives. If he shows effort, she responds warmly. If he pulls back, she doesn't chase. She matches energy. calmly, naturally, because obsession is built when a man feels, I need to step up to keep her, not when he feels she'll stay no matter what I do. And the moment he feels that, the dynamic shifts. Sixth, keep your standards, even when you're emotionally attached. This is where most women break. At the beginning, standards are strong. She says no, she has boundaries. She walks away from things she doesn't like. But as feelings grow, standards drop. She tolerates more, explains more, accepts things she wouldn't have accepted before. And in that moment, attraction starts fading. Because a man doesn't stay obsessed with a woman who lowers herself for him. He stays obsessed with a woman who remains consistent in her value. Even when it's uncomfortable, even when she likes him, even when walking away hurts. Because that tells him something powerful. She doesn't need me, but she still chooses me. And that creates pressure in the best way. Now he knows if he doesn't show up properly, he can lose her. And that possibility, that's what keeps him engaged. Seventh, let him invest emotionally. This is one of the biggest mistakes women make. They give too much too early. They open up deeply, they express everything, they pour emotion into the connection before he's earned it. And what happens? He doesn't feel the need to chase emotionally because everything's already given. A man becomes obsessed with what he invests in, not what is handed to him. So instead of oversharing, a smart woman reveals herself gradually. She lets him ask. She lets him earn access to deeper parts of her. And most importantly, she allows him to express himself first, to open up, to invest emotionally, to attach. Because once a man starts investing emotionally, he starts building attachment himself. And attachment is what leads to obsession. Eighth, stay a little unpredictable in your growth. This is the final layer, and it's the one most people never think about. A man loses interest when he feels like he's reached the end of you. When there's nothing new, nothing evolving, nothing changing. But a woman who keeps a man obsessed keeps evolving. She tries new things. She grows. She shifts her energy, her interests, her perspective, not for him, for herself. And because of that, he never feels like he's fully figured you out. There's always something new, something unexpected, something to discover. And that keeps his mind engaged. Because the moment growth stops, curiosity dies. Now, let's bring everything together. If you want a man to stay obsessed with you long term, it's not about doing more, it's about understanding what creates emotional tension. You maintain mystery, you keep your independence, you shift emotional energy, you create space, you match effort, you hold your standards, you let him invest, you keep evolving. And when you live like this, something changes. He doesn't feel like he has you secured, he feels like he has something valuable that he needs to keep earning. And that's the difference between comfort and obsession. So stop asking, how do I keep his attention? Start asking, does my presence still create curiosity, space, and value? Because that's what keeps him thinking about you, even when you're not there. This was FemForward, and I'll see you in the next video.